So a common question I get is, Mike, how do you use the Midnight Rose leave-in conditioner? So I'm gonna take a second here and explain to you how we use this Midnight Rose. There's no roses in it. We don't put roses in our own stuff because we're too cheap and, you know, we just lack the benefit of, you know, whatever. Anyway, this is how you do it, okay? You ready? You in there, Chris? Come on closer. Come here. Come
like swimwear. Swimwear.
All right, there we go. Okay, so what you do, you take some, right? I spritz them in sections, right? So you take this front part here, spritz that. I'm working over here. Spritz that over here. Spritz that. A little bit in the back. And you get close too, so I'm not putting it right to the scalp. Right to the scalp. Right, get up in there. How that focus looking, Chris?
Oh, it's focusing.
All right, there we go. Boom. All right, so I got the front, the back.
I don't know what it's focusing on.
The side. Boom, right, so I got that. So then, get right here, get up in there. Now work it in with the fingers. Work it in with the finger lays, just like Now work it in, work it all the way in. Run my fingers through, right? Just run it through like that. Like I'm running really fast. Chris, you laughing? What's so funny?
When you comb your hair back, you look like Benjamin Franklin.
Is that it? Is that the look?
Yeah.
The Benji. Oh, what was the look? Maybe look at it yesterday. There it is. Cha.
Nice.
Cha. I feel like I can be an anime now. My hair coming out like this. Cha, like right over my eye. But you can still see my eye through the hair. Anyway, so yeah, that's how you do it. And I can do it in sections like that. Same thing for the beard though. Same deal. Spritz. Spritz. Get it in nice and deep. Get it in nice and deep.
Crazy.
Giggity. Ah. Whew. Chris, this is an Archer episode. Same deal here. Get it in. In there like swimwear. Work it in. So let the hair just flap out. Flap hap, just like that. Flip hap. And the beard, flip hap. All right, and that's essentially how you use Midnight Rose leave-in conditioner. I did the same deal with the Yum Yum water as well, but I didn't bring any here on this trip to New York City, so that's what you got. That's what you get. Move, get my way, get out of the way.